Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option About Phone. So in this device, we need to find a build number, which is quite hidden. It is not in a usual place somewhere here or in the device details, but it is right there. So we have to tap on this Nothing OS 4.1 option. And as you can see here, we've got the build number. So now all you have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will also ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step, but that's normal, no worries. So just do it, and then we can go back to the general list of the settings. Right here we have to go to the system, and here we've got the developer options, so just tap. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can turn the option to destroy every activity as soon as you will leave it. You can set the transparent navigation bar. You can show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some networking options, etc. And basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So if you've got the option, you can simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you have to simply turn it off just at the top. As you can see, the switcher is pinned to the top of the screen, and all you have to do is to tap on it and then tap on restart to turn off the developer options completely. However, be aware, because if you will customize something here, and if you'd like to keep it applied, you need to leave the developer options turned on. Alright, so after restarting the system, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.